Yeah, who do you want to work with among the young actresses ng ABS-CBN?
Ito na, kasi si Kyla Estrada, kasi lagi kami nagbabatian kapag in terms of like with the performances sa Linlang, and then binati niya rin ako with my senior high performance. Sabi ko, sana makapag-work tayo soon, no? Kasi I used to work out with her sa BF. So naghahang na kami yan before. Sabi ko, parang gusto ko maka-work naman si Kyla on screen. Yeah.
Do you really see yourself being part of this? Or, I mean, the acting in the long run? Or meron kang timeline na up to this point and then I give up? And when you do you have a fallback? Or eto lang talaga ang gusto mong gawin for the rest of your life?
I feel like yes, kasi it's my first love. Kasi humarap na po ako sa camera since I was 2 months old. So I was doing commercials since I was 2 months old, and 8 years old po ako pumasok ng like TV. So I feel like yes, it's a passion na. So parang it's gonna break my heart kapag hindi ko siya tinuloy. Kasi nag-break din po ako for ilang years kasi tinapos ko po yung college. So nung bumalik ako parang I feel like I'm back, like I'm home, like ito yung gusto ko po talaga gawin.
College, anong naging course mo?
Film, digital filmmaking ko sa Binil.
Nakakonect pa rin siya.
Yes. Kaya yun, di po talaga parang feeling ko ito na po talaga yung gusto kong gawin talaga.
Any plans for the whole week?
Siguro po huminga. mas more of huminga, a breather. Siguro mas more of to spend time with my family. Like, nagbibisita iglesia rin po kami, so the usual.
Saan usually kayo nagbibisita?
Sa mga first po namin, usually Manila, basta like around Manila Cathedral, San Agustin, Malate Church, mga ganung area po. Kasi sa Hilera po yun, mabubuo nyo na po yung 7 churches eh.
Emily, because coming from that question, your college film grad, anyone who nag-influence sa'yo from the family, or you like, meron dating showbiz na talagang isa rin rason bakit pumasok ka sa showbiz?
Kung bakit din po siguro ako nandito is because of my dad. Siya po talaga yung nagpasok sa akin when I was young. Siya yung sobrang naging stage fodder na ipasok po ako sa mga VTRs for commercials.
You started as a commercial model. Okay.
Actually, like I was young, di ko po alam yung ginawa. I wasn't really know what I'm doing. But at the same time, parang I got the hang of it na, okay, parang nag-enjoy pala ako sa, like kahit bata pa po ako ng time na yun, to portray na someone else, kahit iiyak ka lang, ganyan. Yun lang naman po yung alam ko nung time na yun. And then, until na pumasok na po yung mga, siguro mas more criticization sa isip ko na, there's a deeper depth pala of acting, not just doing the scene itself, na marami pa lang kailangan i-consider at kailangan intindihin to get to know everything, even the story, the characters that you work with. Yeah.
Yung interest doon nag-start?
Yes.
Okay. Have you tried doing theater plays?
I want to.
Okay.
Yun po yung laging sinasabi sa akin ng mga ibang friends din po sa industriya, na bakit di mo try? Try mo lang. I mean, kahit once or I don't know, because it's also different. It's a different volume ng arts eh. So yeah, pwede ko naman po i-consider kapag may na-offer din or kung may mga auditions, I would love to.
Yeah, because we're doing partnership with different theater association with PETA, Sunbox. So most likely if you have time to
Yeah,
audition,
tsaka yung mga ibang cast po ng serye din, galing din sa teatro. So
exactly. So why not? Any other questions? Ken, Quinto.
Ay, sino yung inspiration mo dito sa industry and paano pa niya na-influensyahan as an actor?
like here sa local.
Pero kung meron din international.
Well, sa local talaga GLC talaga, like John Lloyd. Oo eh. Like parang
International.
sa international, it's hard. Wow, wait, parang na-mental block ako.
Tina ka?
Siguro like, I mean, syempre nandiyan yung mga DiCaprio, no? Leonardo DiCaprio, Christian Bale, iba't ibang method sila eh. Sarap aralin. Kasi like when you watch them, they give something else. Like even with their films, sobrang iba yung mga atake nila. That's what amazes me sa kung paano lang nila atakihin yung character nila in different films.
Ask ko lang din, di ba nung sumikat yung senior high, then mas nakilala mo bilang coach. Ano yung mga naging parang expectation mo sa showbiz, tapos nung na-experience mo na siya, parang yung pala yung reality. Yung pala yung ano, hindi siya na ano na expectation mo.
Siguro, paano ba? Siguro it's more of the workload. Mas more of siguro dun pumapasok yung anxiety ko, yung mga panic ko, ganyan. Pero mas more of kasi inuunahan ko lagi. Like, okay, baka mas marami pa akong gagawin kaysa sa mga nalatag sa akin na gagawin. So, para ako lang kasi I need to be ready always. Yun lang yung lagi kong baon or bala. Na okay, before this specific project starts, I need to be ready, I need to be just kahit ano lang, kahit mentally ready na okay, marami kang gagawin, so maybe you have to do this, change your kahit yung body clock mo lang, malaking bagay na yun eh. Even the diet, malaking bagay na rin yun. Yeah.
And ano, ngayong nakasign ka na sa Star Magic, ano yung may mga abangan na ba kami sa'yo?
Well, merong upcoming na like Dreamscape project. So, pero ano muna natin siya. Meron pa tayong time to talk about that. And also I'm doing this online TV show. Parang it's for the Gen Z, pero yun again will be announcing soon also. And meron akong movie na lalabas this April 12 na sinali nung I think September sa Toronto Film Festival. It's directed by Direk June Lana. It's called Anak Ka Ng Ina Mo. We shot it way back 2021. Yeah.
Ito ba yung rated X na movie?
Yeah.
Pwede kang makakita ng reaction tungkol dyan.
Agree ako. Hindi kasi
Nagulat kami sa question.
Hindi,
Okay.
Paano ba? Pwede ko ba ikwento yung premise? Basically, it's a story about it's a political film. Okay, so para siguro mas magets kung bakit ganun yung rating din. At saka at the same time yung mga nangyayari din sa eksena, tsaka sa storya. So medyo it's a edgy film. So medyo gory siya, medyo dark. Yeah.
So kailangan panoorin talaga siya para malaman kung bakit siya rated X.
Yeah. yun muna. Pero Anak Ka Ng Ina Mo. Your Mother's Son yata yung English title niya. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ken. Jeff, you have a question?
Now that you're here, ano yung mga lessons na gusto mo i-impart sa mga aspiring artists na gusto nilang makamit yung kung nasan ka?
Not everything happens overnight. Malaking lesson yun sa akin na to be patient, na to know what you really want. Like especially kung ano yung mga weaknesses mo. At saka at the same time kung saan ka pwedeng mag-improve. Ano bang room for improvement. And kung yun talaga yung dream mo and alam mo na yun yung passion mo, I mean try lang, wala namang masama mag-try, wala namang masama na to give it a chance. Pero if you know na you wanna do it, just keep on doing, walang imposible naman eh. So if meron ka namang tiyaga dyan, lagi namang merong lalabas na reward. Thank you.
Thanks, Jeff. We have a question here from Ashley.
Hello.
Hi, Miggy. First of all, gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang obvious ng pagiging film enthusiast mo based on your idols, Hollywood-wise kasi DiCaprio.
Yeah.
Tapos Bane, yung American Psycho, right?
Yeah.
So, ngayon na kilala na namin si Poch from Senior High, pwede mo ba sa amin ipakilala si Miggy from Benil? Like, pwede mo, ano siya? Sino siya?
Nung era na yon, party boy, ganyan. Ma-party, like kapag minsan din ako, procrastinator din ako na student yung time na yun. So, kapag may mga deadline, ganyan, I was enjoying too much kasi hindi ko na-experience yun nung high school. And I was this kid na, kasi yung usapan namin ng mom ko nung time na yun, hindi ako pwedeng kumuha ng license until graduate ako. Kasi she knows na itatakas ko yung kotse, na gusto niya rin na ma-experience ko yung na-experience na, which is commuting, being street smart sa kung paano ko uwi, gawa mo ng paraan. That's your, ano na yan, kung baga dyan ka matututo. Kung paano ka uwi ng bahay, paano ka papasok ng bahay. Mag-commute ka, then eventually, alam ko makakabili ka ng kotse na may iba kang magiging mode of transportation. So might as well, enjoy mo na yan kasi hanapin mo. First, sabi ko, bakit naman? Pero until tumatagal, gets. Okay, tama yung, ako kung magkakaanak din ako, gusto ko rin turuan siya na, like, to be independent din, to stand up din on their own. Kasi very important, kasi, like, ang hirap din na, like, ikaw mismo, ang hirap mabuhay, no? Ang hirap na buhayin din yung sarili mo in terms of all the challenges na pwedeng humarap sa'yo dito sa mundong to. You have to be ready.
So may isa pa akong questions. So right now, sabi mo din gusto mo gumawa ng mga bagong psychological films, mga thriller. Dito sa industry natin, meron na, and for sure magkakaroon pa. If ever, meron ka bang specific theme na gusto mong i-take, or you inspired by anything to make those movies?
Well, you mentioned American Psycho. I love that film. Like, ang dami pa kasing pwedeng ikwento rin, like especially what goes inside the human mind. Kaya yun yung, kasi parang like tao eh, parang everything happens inside. So, like yung mga psychological films lang, I want to understand everything lang. Especially like yung kahit yung mga films na napalabas na. Meron din tayong mga films na minsan na, syempre di natin mag-gets. Kasi not every film naman is for us, di ba? So, merong laging pelikula para sa'yo, para sa individual. So, like ako, like American Psycho, that's One Shutter Island. Gusto ko rin yung Basketball Diaries, like it's about drugs naman, talking about drugs. So parang basta yung mga ganun kalalalim na films, gusto ko yung ang sarap gawin kasi ng freedom.
And thank you again.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ashley. Do you have a follow-up from Raymond?
Miggy, kasi aware ka ba na kamukha mo si Jake Cuenca?
Talaga po ba? Hindi ko pa.
The way you present yourself. Tapos yung, kamukha mo si Jake. Alam mo yung pag sinasabi nila kamukha mo si Jake, actor na actor yun.
Salamat po. Thank you.
Pero narinig mo yung ganun komento.
Kung ako lang po kung yung question niyo po na kung nakikita ko po ba sa sarili ko, honestly, hindi po pero marami nakakuha rin po ako ng mga comments. Yeah.
Agree.
Thank you po.
Thanks, Raymond.
It's a compliment.
Any other questions from our friends here? Okay, I think they want the one-on-one exclusive content later. But anyway, Miggy, would you like to invite everyone for your future project, aabangan, at ano pa ang mga gagawin in the future, especially you're planning to do a single or an album soon?
Yeah, that's also considering po na to do music as well. Pero for now, may mga anytime soon, for sure may mga lalabas na po sa news kung saan nyo po makikita, may mga upcoming projects yan. Yan yung promise ko yan na may lalabas yan. So wait nyo na lang po, and thank you guys for being here, and appreciate all the questions, and maraming salamat for hearing me out and for giving me a chance to also speak in front of you guys. And yun, maraming salamat guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Let's have a one